This Discovery Sport has done about 16,600 miles and its brake pads worn. Warning lights come on the dash, so they don't last long. You can see the discs tend to corrode as well, especially the back ones. Look how corroded that is. Anyway, I'm off to a Land Rover dealer today for him to have a look at the brake pads and let me know how much it costs to replace them. Probably going to be at least £400 dealer prices. Such as, brake pads shouldn't be due till at least 30,000 miles, but 16,600 and the brake light warning lights on. I'll show you. Oh. Yeah, you see, brake pads warning. And there you can see how many miles it's done. 16,680, and it come up around 100 miles ago, the warning. So I'm off to a dealer and we'll see what they say once they've taken a look at the pads. It's disappointing. 16,600 is nothing. I thought they don't need to charge me for discs. If they do, then see if warranty covers the discs. Corroding brakes for a Land Rover. Disc pads don't last long. Look at this. It's one of the negatives of a Land Rover Discovery Sport. So that's my car left with Guy Salmon. They're going to call me in 2 hours time after they looked at the brakes. 2 hours. So I'm going to go for a little walk and come back in. Well, they're going to call me in 2 hours. Probably be 5 hours by the time it's all done. 2 hours later and I'm back. Let's see what they say about the brakes, how much it's going to cost. So they've still got it in the maintenance workshop. 3:30, so 3 hours since I first, well, over 3 hours since I first arrived. And what they're doing, there's some recalls, otherwise I would have gone by now. What are the brake pads? It's going to cost me £220 just for the front. The back 4mm and okay. And as for the corroded discs, they're going to replace the discs, the corroded discs, on warranty, so that's good. So now I'm just waiting for them to do the recalls, and they can do the discs another day, the pads and the discs, when I do an MOT next week. Discs in your Land Rover are corroded, take them down to a dealer and get them replaced under warranty, which is what I'm doing, because they do tend to corrode. And the front ones, they say, are okay, so they're not being replaced. But that'll save me money because my warranty runs out in about 4 months. Also, they said if you don't drive it much, they tend to corrode more. The brakes don't get hot enough to clean the discs. That doesn't sound right, does it? Anyway, 220 is not bad, plus £55 for MOT. It's a lot less than I thought. I thought it was going to be about 500. The back brakes are 4mm, which is fine. Front 4 and 2, so they're replacing them because they're going to wear anyway. Now I'm just waiting for the work to finish. So I'm back in my car, altogether 4 long hours. Yeah, to check the brakes and do a recall for something under the hood and do a vehicle check, health check. Everything's green and it just needs the front pads replacing. Basically it's uneven wear on that side, 2mm and 4mm, and on this side it's 4mm, 4mm, and they're replacing them with new pads for £220, so it's not cheap. The back pads are 4mm across, so keep them. And what else? Oh yeah, the disc was corroded and it is delaminating, so they're going to replace the discs on Monday. That's when I have the MOT done. That's under warranty. So if your discs are corroded, it's worth getting it done while you're in warranty. Otherwise it'll cost a lot of money, at least a couple £100. Not cheap, £200 for front pads. So if I'd done back as well, I presume it'd be £400 in discs. If I had to replace front and back discs, that's probably another £400, £800. But £200 is fine. MOT costs what, £54.84, that's okay. So we'll see how the MOT goes for that. Check out my next video for what to expect in your first MOT of a Land Rover Discovery Sport. But it went well today. Only thing is they take for ages. 4 hours. That's too long. So I'm off in rush hour traffic now. I hate rush hour traffic. So do check out the next video of what to expect for your first MOT. It should be okay, because I had the health check done first, which would have pointed out any issues, and like the brakes are dealt with. So let's was the brake thingy not coming up? Yeah, there it is. Brake pads worn, so they're not replaced, and they're going to do them on Monday. So do check out my next video for what to expect for your first MOT for the Land Rover Discovery Sport. It should pass.